Welcome to my channel. Come on in, where the crafts are flowing and the fun begins. We cut, we glue, we paint, we play. There's something creative every day. Welcome to my channel where we craft and have fun. It's a bright.
Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from ANGELROSE Designs, and today I want to welcome you back all to my channel. I am here to introduce to you the kits that I'll be using for my October design team project for Paper Romia. Okay, we have the vintage autumn kit that is the vintage autumn core kit that has 16 pages. And then we have the apple orchard and cider kit that has 21 pages. And then we have this kit, which is part of one of the other two. Okay. And then we also have some fussy cuts that goes with this, but I don't have those on hand. So we will go through these. Okay. So we have this one. And as y'all know, that I print until my ink runs out, so there's this page. This can be used full or folded. They can use the regular size, or you can fold them in half to make smaller pages, but we'll see what I'm going to do. So that, I love this right here. The porcupine gathered with the pumpkins. I like how they put the decor on the pumpkins also. And the script over here in the corner. Oh, it's pretty. Here again, we got the porcupine with the pumpkin. And they added flowers over here with the script. Okay, then we got this one. Okay. Here you can see a little house. I love the mountains that they added in here. And a little pond here. All their pages on this kit have script in it. And pumpkins and leaves and all of that. So that's kit number 1. Okay. So we're going to do kit number 2, which is the apple orchard and cider. We got these are going to be the fussy cuts and more full pages. Okay. We have our tags. More tags. More tags. The belly bands. We have pockets and more tags. A pocket and 3 more tags. We have, these are pockets. These are, I'm going to use them different than what they are. But you're going to see. And these are page tabs. Here we go with pockets. Tickets. I love how most of their kits have tickets. And then we got a pocket here. But I'm going to see. I think I have an idea of how to use this one differently. I printed that one twice. Now these are the full pages, and most of them I have twice. So we have this one. We have this one. We have that one. Most of them look the same, but they're mostly different. Okay. We have this one. baskets of apples. See, this one's darker and different baskets. Okay. Then you got your branches with the flowers and the apples. Again. And then your full pages with apples. Here we go, smaller apples. You have your apples here and your flowers. This is a little different. Okay, you got your apple here and floral here. Here you got your apples on the corner. Let me put it this way and zoom out a bit. Here we go. There you go with that one. I like the line pages. This one has splatters. You have this one, this one, this one. This one is split. I like how they did the frames they put around the lions. And then we have the final kit from that one. The final pages from that one, I'm sorry. You got a teapot here. See, they all have something to do with fall. Okay. Little house on the plate. There's a cinnamon roll. There's some cookies. I take it this page here is steamed for baking, y'all. Here's a little farmhouse. A little bakery house, you can call it. Here's some of the baked goods. Oops. There. A lot of them y'all gonna see repeat twice because I repeated them twice because I'm gonna use them. The coffee with the coffee beans here. I love this on this filigree here on the coffee cup, and then we got writing here. Then you got the little cabinet with all the goods in it. Fall is time for good baking, y'all. Here's some bread. Here's some cookies. Your flowers, sunflower. I love this kit. These kits are amazing. Here's a little clock here. And if you noticed, almost every page I showed has a little teapot. Almost. Here's a milk one here. Here's the teapot here. Here's one there. And here's the fussy cuts, y'all. Oops, that one's upside down. There's more fussy cuts than this, but I've already cut most of it out. And that's it. So, If y'all want to see what I'm going to do, please stay tuned. Okay? Stay tuned to the next video. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, stay safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And remember, you are enough. If I can do it, so can you. Go make something pretty today. Bye-bye for now.
Thanks for watching, it's great to see you. You are greatly appreciated. If you haven't done it yet, please hit the subscribe button while you are at it. Hit the notification button to get notified when I go live or when I upload a new video. Also leave a comment. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, and be positive. We will see you in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. We'll see you all